Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming. So I am 1 week post relaxer and I'm going to wash my hair today, but I wanted to take you guys through my protein treatment to restore my hair's elasticity and to bring my hair back to life. So in today's video, I'm taking you through my protein treatment / my post relaxer wash. Protein treatment, I'm using purely homemade ingredients. Okay, so I'll take you through how I prepared my mixture, which is right here. So for today, I'm going to use 2 eggs. I'll use olive oil, coconut oil, and pure honey. So my pure honey was almost done, so I had to invert it to get everything out. Yes, so for the eggs, you can use either 1 egg or 2 eggs depending on the thickness of your hair. And if you want your consistency to be very thick, then you can use only the egg yolk and avoid the egg white. But I wanted my consistency to be light, so I decided to use both the egg yolk and the egg white. And I used 2 eggs because I was preparing this mixture for my mom and I. So yeah, I'll go ahead and whisk my eggs with my honey, and I'll add my olive oil and coconut oil afterwards. So the honey is supposed to trap some moisture into my hair, keep my hair moisturized, and the oils are also supposed to keep my hair moisturized as well. And the egg, of course, is for protein, because I relaxed my hair, the bonds are broken down, and I want to bring the elasticity of my hair back and strengthen it. So I'll go ahead and part my hair into 4 different sections and start applying my protein treatment to every section of my hair. So now let's start. I'm going to start applying it to the roots of my hair, then I'll work my way down to my ends as well. This gets a bit messy sometimes, so it's advisable to do this in the bathroom, okay? And get a towel around your neck whilst doing it. Now let's talk about why it is important to wash your hair after a relaxer. So the first wash day after a relaxer is very important because your hair needs extra moisture and protection as it adjusts to the new chemical treatment. That's your relaxer, right? So then you need to incorporate more moisture into your hair even before you apply your shampoo. Hence the protein treatment. And for this natural DIY protein treatment, you have the egg, which is serving as your protein, you have your honey, which is locking moisture in your hair, and the oils as well. So protein treatments are done mainly to help retain moisture in the hair, to prevent breakage, create a healthier and fuller hair. It will make your hair softer and smoother, and finally it will strengthen your hair. So depending on your hair's porosity, you may need protein treatment often or less. And since I have low porosity hair, I don't need protein treatment often, so I do protein treatment mainly after my relaxer to strengthen my hair. Then the subsequent weeks, I'll just follow up with intense deep conditioning treatment to bring back the moisture in my hair. So from here, I'm going to speed things up. In fact, I've already sped things up so that we will get to the next stage faster, because it's basically the same process applying your protein mixture into your hair.
One hour later.
So I'm going ahead to rinse the egg out with lukewarm water. This step is completely optional. You can use cold water, but I just felt like using warm water to rinse my egg out. So after this, I'm going to rinse it out with cold water as well, as you can see. Then I'll go ahead and shampoo my hair till I feel like the egg is completely out of my hair. And for this, I'm going to use my clarifying shampoo, my olive oil clarifying shampoo. So after shampooing, I'm going to go ahead with the olive oil replenishing conditioner to condition my hair and detangle my hair as well. That conditioner is very good. I've used it for a very long time and I recommend it for everyone. So this is me detangling my hair with my wide tooth comb. I'm going to leave the conditioner on my hair for about 20 minutes, then I'll get back to
20 minutes later. So I blow dried and I flat ironed my hair, and this is the end result. Can you see? Can you see? Yes, this is the end result. So thank you very much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, it's bye.